Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll teach you how to differentiate exponential function. And it's a very simple topic. If you know you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, we'll solve these questions. Very easy. Now, let's take the first question. I have to find the derivative of what? E 3x. Now, whenever you're asked to find this, it's just a one-step thing. Differentiate this. Differentiate this power, use it to multiply this, and that's all. Finish. So if I differentiate 3x, what will it give me? To give me what? 3. So E 3x times what? 3. And what is my answer? 3 E 3 what? X. That's the answer. So it's a very simple what? Mathematics, right? So the second question, 2. You're asked to differentiate this. Y is equal to what? 5e 2x minus what? 7e negative what? Raised power negative x. But I would like to change this question. I'll solve raised to x first, then I'll also solve raised to what? Negative x, so that you understand it what? Easily. Now, the way I did it before, if I differentiate 2x, what will it give me? To give me 2. I use the 2 to multiply this. I will now have what? 10e. I just differentiate this and I use the 2 to multiply this. We have this minus. Now, if I differentiate this to give me 1, 1 times this, I'll still have what? So this is the answer. Now, I'll put the negative what? Sign back. So let's now copy the question. 5e 2x minus 7e raised power negative. So if I differentiate this, I will get the same thing I got here. So now I have, if I differentiate this, I have 2 times this is 10, 10e 2 what? X minus. Now, if I differentiate this, I will have negative 1. Remember, to differentiate negative x, for example, I will have to, if I differentiate this, this is the raised to power what? 1. Now, I'll use this 1 to multiply this negative sign. I will now have what? Minus 1 here. I'll bring down what? This x. 1 minus what? 1. And 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So anything raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times negative 1 is what? Negative what? 1. So if I differentiate negative what? X, I'll have negative 1. Now, negative 1 minus 1 times minus 7. What would that give me? To give me positive 7. So this one will become positive raised to power what? Negative what? X. So this is the answer. It's a very simple concept. The next one, you have this x, y is equal to e or x, e what? Raised to power what? X. Now, in doing this, very simple. The formula you have to use is what? The product what? Rule, which is u dv dx plus what? V du what? Dx. So this is u and this is what? V. So I'll pick u, which is what? X. If I differentiate e raised to power what? X, it will also give me what? E raised to power what? X. Okay, exponential what? X. So plus v. What is v? This is v. If I differentiate u, it will give me 1. So this is the answer. It's a very simple what? Concept. All right. Now, this y is equal to e x squared plus what? 1. As usual, I will tell you differentiate this power here. If I differentiate this is 2x. And if I differentiate this is 0. So if I differentiate this, I'll have what? 2x. So just use the 2x to multiply this. We'll now have what? 2x e x squared plus what? 1. So this is what? The answer. So it's a very simple concept. I'd like you to differentiate this and drop the answer in the comment section. But I'll give you an idea how to do that. This, you can take this upward and raise it to what? Negative what? S raised to power what? Negative what? 2. And it will still can become E x times what? X raised to power what? Negative what? 2. So that will differentiate this and you get the answer. Post the answer in the comment section. All right. Thank you for watching.